lot of satisfaction in developing ideas into reality.
仪式用。不规则的。它变成一个很难过了。男女朋友吵架，连米奇都要真实。米奇。就当离开有。